Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful unicorns step by step. Let's start drawing. Now I started drawing unicorns, guys. I'm starting from this. You guys start from there. Then I draw its entire face, starting from the bottom, the body. I drew it exactly like this. You can do it too. I will draw an eye beautifully and a nose with a mouth. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Now I'm starting to color. First of all, I'll give you the sky blue color. This time it's pink. Pink again. Red color. Dark blue color. Green. Yellow color. I am adding the yellow color beautifully throughout the unicorn. Okay, our drawing is complete. If you like our drawing, like and share. See you later in the video.